Okay, hello everyone. Good afternoon. How are you today? You're good? Tired? It is Monday, so it's okay to be tired. So, how was your weekend? Did you go out somewhere or do anything fun on the weekend? Yeah? You went to the bar? Nice. Who did you go with? Friends. Very good. You went to the restaurant? Good. And you went to your friend's birthday party? Wow. I hope you had a good time. Well, actually, today's class is about a party. It is called Party Time. So, I think this is an easy question. Do you enjoy going to parties? Yeah, of course. Everyone enjoys going to parties, almost everyone. Why do you enjoy parties? Why are they fun? Yes, you can see your friends. Excellent. What else is fun about a party? You can drink, yeah. You can listen to music, good. You can dance. Yeah, you can have a really good time with your friends. So, do you enjoy getting ready to go to a party too? Good. How do you get ready to go to a party? What things do you do to get ready? Prepare food. Yeah. Sometimes if you go to a friend's house, you will bring some food with you. What else? Clean your house. Yes. If the party is at your house, maybe you have to clean up. How about if you go somewhere else to a party? What might you do to get ready? Yes. Hair. Makeup. Good. Drink. Yeah. I won't write that. Good. Yes, listen to music. So, going to a party is really fun. Also, getting ready for a party is fun. Now, we are going to listen to a conversation about a party. I want to introduce you to two people. First, meet Brad. And meet Gail. He's very handsome, right? Very pretty. Brad and Gail are having a party, okay? We are going to listen to a conversation between their friends who are getting ready to go to Brad and Gail's party. So when you listen, I want you to try and try to find out some information about the party. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, I will play the CD. Okay, so how was that? Okay? So we listened to the conversation with Brad and Gail's friends about the party. What information did you manage to find out? I have written 3 words here: what, where, and when. So, Brad and Gail's party. Did you listen or did you hear what kind of party it is? Absolutely. It is a barbecue party. I will write BBQ for short. Did you hear where the party will take place, where it will happen? Correct. Brad and Gail's house. I hear they have a very nice house in Hollywood. And this one is a little tricky. Did you hear when the party will be? The start time? No, there was no start time. Did you hear when the party will finish? Absolutely, 11 o'clock. Very good. So if you managed to get those details, well done. That was a long conversation. Now, please look at exercise C at the bottom of page 34. So, there are 6 sentences in exercise C. How do you think Brad and Gail's friends might say these sentences? All right? You have to try and replace the underlined word with the expression Brad and Gail's friends use in this dialogue. So, let me explain by doing the first one together. So, number 1, Phil. They say it's going to be really warm. So, please find Phil's conversation in here. Yeah? Top right. So, what does Phil say? I think they say it's going to be really warm. What does he say instead of going to be? What does he say instead of going to be? Yeah? Excellent. He says, supposed to. supposed to be? It's supposed to be a really nice evening. So, going to be is replaced with supposed to be. So can you understand? Good. So in pairs, in groups of two, so 2, 2, 2, 2, please try to finish the rest of the questions. So we did 1 together. Please try to finish 2 to 6, and I will come and help you if you need any help. All right, so now that you finished activity C, what common expression did you notice came up in almost every question for C? You had to replace going to, you had to replace the underlined words with something Brad and Gail's friends used in the dialogue. What expression did they use a lot? Exactly. They used this expression a lot, be supposed to. Do you think be supposed to has only one meaning, or do you think it has many meanings? Exactly, it has many meanings, you're right. So in these 6 sentences, each sentence uses be supposed to, but it has a different meaning almost every time. So we are going to talk a little about the different meanings for be supposed to, and then you can practice yourself. So, be supposed to, it can mean they say. Can you give me an example from the dialogue where this is used, where be supposed to is used for they say? You can use the worksheet. Yes, exactly. It's supposed to be a barbecue, or they say it will be a barbecue. It can also mean have to or should. Can you find any expression, any line in the dialogue that shows have to or should with be supposed to? Yes, I'm supposed to work tomorrow. And what about Brad? There is something Brad should not do. And they use not supposed to. Excellent. Brad is not supposed to eat chocolate. Good. It can also be used for contrast. Something that should happen with what does happen or what will happen. Can you give me an example of that? Something about studying. Yes. One of Brad and Gail's friends is supposed to be studying for an exam, but she's not. Or, I'm not supposed to stay out late, but maybe I will. So it is a contrast, what does happen with what will happen. And was, were supposed to. I was supposed to, we were supposed to. It can mean something that is expected did not happen. So in the dialogue, they were supposed to come at 7, but they didn't. And can you tell me one more? I wasn't supposed to go by myself, but I'll have to. Good. Okay, last of all, there was a slightly different expression. Was going to, were going to. This can have a very similar meaning to what was expected but didn't happen. Also, it can mean intended to. So, in the dialogue, can you tell me what expression shows was going to? Excellent. He was going to give us directions, but he didn't. And one more. I wasn't going to go to the party, but I guess I will. Fantastic. Okay, now this is up to you. So, remembering that be supposed to has many different meanings, I would like you to work in your pairs to try and complete number 2, grammar. Here are some conversations. I want you to try and complete the conversation with the correct form of be supposed to, okay? Or was, were going to. Sometimes more than one answer is possible, so you have to make a decision which one is correct. Let's do the first one together, okay? So number 1, it blank rained tonight. Do you want to go see a movie? So which one of these do you think it is? Excellent. Number 1, they say it will rain tonight. So how can you change that to supposed to? Very good. It's supposed to rain tonight. Do you want to go see a movie? Great. So look at B. I want to see that new Stephen King movie. It is supposed to be good. Excellent. I was going to see it last weekend, but I ended up going to a party instead. Well done. So please finish 2 and 3 in your pairs, okay? I will come and check your answers are correct, and when you finish, we are going to perform the dialogue. Okay, now the final thing, we are going to practice be supposed to and was were going to talk about questions for this coming weekend. So, in your pairs, I want one of you to take turns asking and answering the question, okay? So the other person answer, and in your pairs, check each other, check if their answers are correct, okay? We will do number 1 together. So, question number 1, this weekend, what's the weather supposed to be like? So, which meaning do you think this is supposed to be? Good, they say. So how can you answer that? How can you answer that? Good, it's supposed to be sunny, or I heard it's supposed to be sunny. Excellent. So please do the rest of the questions in your pairs. So take it in turns to question and answer each other. I will come round if you need any help, okay? So when you answer the questions, try to decide what meaning be supposed to or was were going to is, and it will help you. So before we finish the class, I want to ask you some of these questions and see what you came up with and how you phrase your answer. So, how about you guys? Can you tell me what the weather is supposed to be like this weekend? Good, it's supposed to be sunny. Okay, that is the class finished. That's all we've got time for. Have a lovely day.